Welcome back to my page. Today's Women's History Moment, Claudette Colvin. Before Rosa Parks famously refused to give up her bus seat in Montgomery, Alabama, there was Claudette Colvin, a fearless 15-year-old girl who took a stand against segregation 9 months earlier. Though her story was overshadowed for decades, Colvin's bravery and legal case played a crucial role in the civil rights movement and women's history. Claudette Colvin was born on September 5, 1939, in Montgomery, Alabama. Growing up in a segregated society, she attended Booker T. Washington High School, where she learned about Black history and the injustices of racial discrimination. Inspired by figures like Harriet Tubman and Sojourner Truth, Colvin became increasingly aware of her rights. On March 2, 1955, Colvin was riding a Montgomery bus when the driver ordered her to give up her seat to a white passenger. Refusing to move, she declared, "It's my constitutional right." Police forcibly removed her from the bus, arrested her, and charged her with violating segregation laws, disorderly conduct, and assaulting an officer. She denied the assault charge. Unlike Rosa Parks' later arrests, Colvin's case did not immediately spark a citywide boycott. Civil rights leaders, including the NAACP and Martin Luther King Jr., hesitated to make her the face of the movement. Some historians suggest this was due to her age, her darker skin tone, or the fact that she later became pregnant as a teenager. Despite the lack of immediate publicity, Colvin's arrest was pivotal. She was one of 4 plaintiffs in Browder versus Gayle, 1956, the landmark case that successfully challenged bus segregation in Alabama. The U.S. Supreme Court ruled that segregation on public buses was unconstitutional, leading to the end of the Montgomery bus boycott. For years, Colvin's contributions were minimized in history books. However, scholars and activists have worked to bring her story to light, recognizing her as a trailblazer in both civil rights and women's history. Her courage as a young Black girl defying oppression remains an inspiration for future generations. In 2021, a juvenile detention center at Montgomery was renamed in her honor, and she continues to advocate for civil rights and youth empowerment. Claudette Colvin's story reminds us that women, especially young Black women, have always been at the forefront of social change. See you in the next Women's History Moment.